Welcome to this tutorial on the PowerShell Active Directory Module. In this video, we'll explore how to manage Active Directory environments using PowerShell automation and scripting. Active Directory is a critical component of Windows networks, and PowerShell provides powerful tools to manage it efficiently. Whether you're creating user accounts, managing groups, or organizing your directory structure, the Active Directory module makes these tasks faster and more consistent than using graphical tools alone. The Active Directory module is a PowerShell module that contains a collection of Cmdlets specifically designed for Active Directory management tasks. Its primary purpose is to automate and simplify Active Directory administration, allowing administrators to perform complex operations with just a few lines of code. The key benefit of using this module is that it replaces time-consuming manual graphical user interface tasks with efficient scripting workflows. This means you can automate repetitive tasks, manage hundreds or thousands of objects at once, and maintain consistency across your entire Active Directory environment. Before you can use the Active Directory module, you need to install it. The installation method depends on your operating system. On Windows Server, you use the install-Windows feature Cmdlet with the parameter r/sat-ad-PowerShell. This installs the remote server administration tools for Active Directory. On Windows 10 or Windows 11 client computers, you use the add-Windows capability Cmdlet with the online switch and specify the name parameter as rsat.active-directory.ds-ld/0.0.1.0. Once installed, the module will be available for use on your system. After installation, you need to import the module into your PowerShell session. Use the import-module Cmdlet with the parameter Active Directory. To verify that the module has been successfully installed and loaded, run Get-module with the name parameter set to Active Directory. This will display information about the loaded module, including its version and available Cmdlets. If you want to see a complete list of all available Cmdlets in the Active Directory module, use the Get-command Cmdlet with the module parameter set to Active Directory. This will show you all the commands you can use for Active Directory management. The Active Directory module organizes its Cmdlets into several core categories. First is user management, which allows you to create, modify, and manage user accounts in your domain. Second is group management, which handles both security groups and distribution groups. Third is computer objects, which lets you manage domain-joined computers and their properties. Finally, there are organizational units, which help you structure and organize Active Directory objects in a logical hierarchy. Each of these categories contains multiple Cmdlets that follow consistent naming patterns, making them easy to learn and remember. Let's look at the most common Cmdlets for managing user accounts. New-ADUser creates new user accounts in Active Directory. Get-ADUser retrieves information about existing users, allowing you to query and filter user data. Set-ADUser modifies properties of existing user accounts, such as email addresses, phone numbers, or department information. Remove-ADUser deletes user accounts from Active Directory. Finally, Unlock-AD account unlocks user accounts that have been locked due to failed login attempts. These 5 Cmdlets form the foundation of user management in Active Directory and will be used frequently in your daily administration tasks. Here's a practical example of creating a new user account. We use the New-ADUser Cmdlet with several parameters. The name parameter sets the display name to John Smith. The given name parameter is John, and the surname parameter is Smith. The SAM account name is J. Smith, which is the legacy logon name. The user principal name is jsmith@contoso.com, which is the modern logon format. The path parameter specifies where in Active Directory to create the user. In this case, the user's organizational unit in the contoso.com domain. The account password parameter uses convert to -secure string to securely set the password to P at SSW0RD finally. The enabled parameter set to true means the account will be active immediately after creation. Let's review the key points from this introduction. First, the Active Directory module provides comprehensive Active Directory management capabilities through PowerShell, giving you full control over your directory environment. Second, installation varies between Windows Server and client operating systems, so make sure you use the correct command for your platform. Third, Cmdlets follow consistent naming patterns like new, get, set, and remove, making them intuitive to use once you understand the pattern. Finally, automation replaces repetitive manual tasks with efficient scripts, saving time and reducing human error. In the next videos, we'll dive deeper into specific scenarios and advanced techniques for managing Active Directory with PowerShell.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.